Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart Z, and today I'll show you how to use the screen recording option. So by default it's a little bit hidden. If you pull down the notification panel, if you don't see it anywhere here between the icons, you can tap on the pencil right here and it should be somewhere in the disabled ones. So you can see there it is, screen recorder. So what you want to do is hold your finger on it and then you will be able to actually drag it around, and you want to drag it over here and let go and go back. And now it is accessible through the notification panel. So once you have it here, you can tap on it. It will start the countdown after it prompts you to allow the device to actually record your screen. So let's just tap on allow and allow. Screen recording. This feature requires access to the microphone. Okay, cool. And then you also have a way of stopping it. So there's the shortcuts in the shortcut panel. Hold power key and the upper volume, so volume up basically, together to stop. Okay, so let's just start recording, and you get this countdown right here. So that's the time that it has been recording, and now whatever you do on the screen will be captured. So if you bring up anything, open anything, also your finger is tracked, as you can see by that little ball that is following my my finger. So that is basically recording also where you press. And once you're satisfied, you can either pull down the notification panel and just stop it from right here, or like I said, press the volume up and power key together. Okay, hold it, and then you get the message that it got placed in your gallery. So let's open this up, and I think it's this one. Yep. So I can play it. I'll just mute it up if it's gonna record my voice. So give it a moment. It's playing right now, and there it is. So it starts moving on its own. That's the recording that I have done. And you can all see the finger that I have been doing. Now keep in mind that this isn't necessarily the smoothest recording. As you can see, it's a little bit jaggedy. It's not like 60 frames or anything. I don't think it's even 30, so it doesn't look as good. But that is how you would enable the screen recording. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.